Japanese Instant Skin Whitening Cream, at home. First ingredient is rice. Rice is an excellent source for skin brightening, and also fades dark spots and pigmentation. Please subscribe to my channel. 3 tablespoons of rice. Wash it properly. Please press the like button. Add half a glass of water. Leave it 24 hours or 4 to 6 hours. After 24 hours, blend the rice with water. Strain it. We will need rice water. Take a pan and add rice water. Add 1 cup of milk. Mix. Put on fire and cook on low flame. Keep stirring. Once it gets thickened, switch off the flame. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of thick rice. Let it cool down. After cooling, add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix it very well. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 tablespoon almond oil. One vitamin E capsule. 2 teaspoons of orange juice. A 1/4 teaspoon of wild turmeric. Mix all the ingredients very well. We have gotten a creamy texture. How to use. Wash your face with a cleanser. Apply this cream all over your face. Massage for a few minutes for better result. Leave it for 45 minutes, then wash it. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share with your family and friends. You can use this cream 3 times a week. Transfer into a clean container. Because of 0 preservatives, this cream can last, well, for 8 days in a fridge. Apply any moisturizer. Thanks for watching.